What's going on, y'all? This is Kilo Pete Reedy, Cooking with Greedy show. This is the official last show of the year. You know what I'm saying? I can't cook, so all you humans out there trying to judge me, tell your mama and your TT to get the food in. Now here's the baby car. That's the name of your restaurant.
This is Invest by City. I don't have my own restaurant yet, but I am the owner of Lemonade and
Okay, next time, don't do no stuff for myself. Okay, now since they got a couple of things and y'all be mixed food. So what we're gonna do today is an exploded French fry. Yeah, we back again. You dig my man K-Easy Grease.
Pop in.
On the goddamn on camera, on the visual modulator imagery projector. And him allowed, him have him take just to give me hey, if you have a skill or talent, beware of them.
Yes, indeed.
Yeah, it's a new year. We going out with a bang and coming in with a boom beat. Now this is what we got back here. I want you to put on that little What's in there? In the words of Gyrus, it's gonna melt in there.
It's gonna melt in there. It look like cilantro. Ooh, tomatoes. Got tomatoes.
Put them in the hoodie, eat it right. Campbell.
Yeah. And what we call this one?
Yeah, you can grab the chicken.
A loaded fry.
A loaded fry.
Yeah, take it over there. Here's one. Lord.
Oh my God. Ooh, what'd you say?
I got this cheese.
Ooh, it's loaded too. Look at that, y'all.
You gotta give me 5 cents. Oh, friend, don't threaten me with a good time. School gonna go crazy.
What you gonna do, sir?
Go crazy. Come on, we got the taste. Now you gonna taste it?
It's taste time. It's taste time. Here we go.
Ready?
It's taste time. Oh, wow. Loaded fry on the P. Greedy Eating Network. Zoom in on you. Zoom on in.
Back in the kitchen.